Welcome to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. In this video, you'll learn how to use the lab to search for resources and collections. Use the magnifying glass at the top of any page of the lab to begin a search. I'm going to search for civil rights. On your search results page, each thumbnail image is a search result. I can click on any thumbnail to view the resource in detail. Toggle options in the upper right will help me change the way that my search results are displayed. Right now, I'm seeing thumbnails with information displayed on top of them. I can turn off that information if I'd like by clicking this button in the upper right. And if I'd like to see my results displayed in a list view, click this button here, also in the upper right. The search results page will first show me resource results. If I'd like to view Learning Lab collection results, I'll click this tab at the top of the page. If I'd like to narrow my search results, I can use the Refine Search tools to do so. If they aren't open automatically, which they are for me here, I'll click the Refine Search button right underneath the search bar to open up that Refine Search panel. For a resource search, I can select from multiple filters such as resource type, resource provider, and more. I'm going to refine my search to images from the National Portrait Gallery. When I'm ready to apply my filters, I'll click the blue Update Search button. And I've been able to narrow my search to just 177 results. I can filter a search for collections as well. Again, clicking the tab at the top of the page, Learning Lab Collections, will show me collections results for my search. And I'll access the Refine Search tools the same way. Either it'll be automatically open on the left, or if it is not, I'll click the Refine Search button right underneath the search bar. For a collection search, I can select from multiple filters, including relevant subject areas, age levels, and more. Again, I can view any resource or collection search result by clicking on its thumbnail. Have fun exploring.